Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a product on Amazon. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, you can either go to the Amazon app or you can instead go to Amazon.com. It works the exact same on the app or the website. I'll show you how to do it. Now, on the website-based version, you can see at the top right is that profile button. Just tap on that. Make sure you're logged into your account. And then next to your orders, just tap on See All. Now, instead of that, if you're on the app-based version, you can see the little person is at the bottom left instead. So just tap on that. And then at the top left, tap on Orders. Now, we need to navigate to the order or the product that you wanted to replace. Now, let's say I wanted to scroll down and I'm going to find this little micro SD card. Let's say I wanted to replace it with a different one. Maybe you have headphones or TV or speakers, whatever, and you wanted to replace it. Maybe those came damaged or not working. You can easily do that by scrolling down and you can see return or replace items. It says eligible until February 18, 2026. I'll walk you through some other options if it does not give you the ability to return or replace it. But first, if it is in that return window, you can tap on return or replace. And on here, you can see on here, let's say I want to not as expected because it was damaged or something like that. And I can say I don't like it because it was damaged. And then, okay, was there something inaccurate? No. They usually ask you for a few questions. Just go through this process and hit continue. Now, is it in the original packaging? Let's say yes. Yes. Have you used it? No. No issues with it. All the parts, all that stuff. Now, at the very end, you can see if I scroll down, I'm going to choose continue to return options. And I can choose to get a refund or I can refund my credit card. Now, keep in mind, sometimes they'll give you the option to replace this. Sometimes you just need to return it and buy a new version of it. So in my case, for whatever reason, it's not saying to just replace it with something else. You can instead just go through product support and essentially just chat with Amazon to see if they're able to fix it. But if you wanted to, you can just choose, hey, I wanted to just get a refund and hit continue. And then just go through the process of getting a refund by dropping off at Whole Foods or Staples or UPS. And then you can just order a new version of that item. Now, I walked you through that option, but let's say if you go back out of here and it doesn't give you the option to return or replace those items with a different product. You can instead just tap on Get Product Support. The nice thing on here is you can go through the troubleshooting steps and basically it will go through the process of saying, all right, what is your issue? Let's say it won't work. And then it walks you through some stuff. But the nice thing on here is that eventually you can get to a point where you're chatting with Amazon support. So again, you kind of have to just go through this a couple different times. Just say, no, it's not resolving your issue, and then just keep going through. Sometimes they'll get through and ask you and eventually allow you to contact support. If they never do, you can instead just tap on those three lines, and then you can get to customer service at the very top. Now, keep in mind, Amazon customer service is fantastic. And even if it's outside of that return or replacement window, a lot of times you can just contact them and they'll work with you. I've had that experience myself. Now it says customer service, just try to find that item. So enter in that item and then just go through the process of chatting with them through the customer support and say, what the issue is, why you want to replace that item. And a lot of times they'll work with you in terms of getting you a new item that works for your needs. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.